All right, welcome back, friends. Today, we're not just traveling, we're diving deep into the heart of Indonesia. Get ready for a trip through amazing places, lively culture, and wild adventures. From deep oceans to tall volcanoes, Indonesia is a world all its own. Each island has a special story, and I'm here to show you the best of them. So buckle up, grab your snacks, and let's jump into this awesome claymation adventure. Let's go! A-Team. Aha! Let's do this! First stop, Bali, the famous island of gods. The beaches here are unbelievable. Golden sand, blue water, and sunsets that light up the sky. But Bali's magic is more than just beaches. The culture is everywhere. Daily offerings, sweet-smelling incense, and gamelan music fill the air. Explore temples on cliffs like Tanah Lot, where every stone has a story. At night, Bali changes. Relaxing beach bars, fun clubs, and people from all over the world. And the food? From crispy babi guling to colorful smoothie bowls, every meal is a party. Whether you like to surf, find peace, or love to party, Bali welcomes you with open arms. It's a place of opposites. Calm by day, full of energy by night. Every visit shows you something new. Bali isn't just a place to go, it's a feeling. The perfect start to our Indonesian adventure. Next, we jump into the wild. Komodo National Park. This is home to the mighty Komodo dragon, the world's biggest lizard, found only here. Hike rugged islands with park rangers and see these ancient giants in their natural home. Under the water, Komodo's reefs burst with color. Manta rays, turtles, and tons of fish. Climb Padar Island for an amazing view. 3 beaches, each a different color, surrounded by bright blue water. Relax on Pink Beach, where tiny pieces of coral make the sand a beautiful pink. Stay on Afinisi's boat, waking up to new islands and starry skies. Komodo is wild, untamed, and unforgettable. It's a perfect place for adventurers and nature lovers. Every moment here is exciting. Komodo is a must-see for anyone who loves to explore. Now to the heart of Java, Borobudur Temple. This is the world's largest Buddhist monument, rising from foggy fields and volcanoes. Climb its 9 levels, each step a journey from wanting things to finding peace. Sunrise here is pure magic. Golden light, swirling fog, and old stone temples. Thousands of stone carvings tell stories about Buddha's life and teachings. Try your luck. Touch the Buddha's hand inside a temple for good fortune. During Waisak, monks gather, singing and sending lanterns into the night sky. Borobudur is more than just a building. It's a living spiritual place. Visiting connects you to hundreds of years of history and peace. It's humbling, inspiring, and unforgettable. A true journey for your soul. Ready for paradise? Welcome to Raja Ampat, the 4 Kings. Over 1,500 jungle islands rise from bright blue seas, making a landscape like no other. Under the water, it's the richest ocean area in the world. Schools of fish, manta rays, and even walking sharks. Every dive is a new discovery. Every time you snorkel is a burst of color. Climb Pianamo for a view you'll never forget. Rocky islands spread across a blue-green lagoon. Life here is simple. Stay in a local home, paddle kayaks in hidden lagoons, and get away from the busy world. Getting here is an adventure, but that's what keeps it special. Local communities work hard to protect this paradise. Raja Ampat isn't just a trip, it's an expedition. It's a rare look at untouched nature, truly life-changing. From sea to sky, Mount Bromo in East Java. This active volcano sits in a huge sea of sand, making a landscape that feels like another planet. The adventure starts before the sun comes up. Jeep rides, cold air, and excitement. Sunrise shows a dreamlike scene, Bromo's smoking crater, Mount Batok's perfect shape, and Semeru erupting far away. After sunrise, walk across the sand and climb 250 steps to the edge of the crater. Feel the earth rumble and watch smoke pour out from deep inside. Standing on the rim is a powerful feeling, a reminder of how strong nature is. The views are amazing, the experience unforgettable. Bromo is a dream for photographers and a playground for adventurers. It's raw, wild, and awe-inspiring, a must for those who love thrills. Time to slow down in Yogyakarta, Java's cultural heart. Here, old traditions live alongside new creativity. Visit the Kraton, the Sultan's palace where royal life continues today. Watch classical dance, listen to gamelan music and feel the city's artistic spirit. Try making batik or explore silver workshops in Kota Gede. Jogja's street art and galleries make it a creative place. Don't miss the food, gudeg jackfruit stew and colorful street foods. At night, join locals for leshan, eating on mats under the stars. Yogyakarta is the way to Borobudur and Prambanan, but its charm is special on its own. It's a city of students, artists, and warm welcomes. Jogja is the soul of Java, an experience you'll never forget. Our final stop, Lake Toba, Sumatra, the world's largest volcanic lake, surrounded by green hills and cool air. In the middle, Samosir Island, the heart of Batak culture. Explore villages with unique Rumah Bolon houses and lively traditions. Ride a scooter along the lake, visit old tombs and meet friendly locals. Experience Batak music, dance, and the art of weaving ulos's cloth. Swim, kayak, or just relax with amazing views. Try local dishes like spicy arsik fish. Lake Toba is grand yet cozy, a perfect place to relax. A powerful, beautiful end to our journey. And that's a wrap. What an amazing journey through Indonesia's wonders. From Bali's beaches to Komodo's dragons, Borobudur's sunrise to Raja Ampat's reefs, Bromo's volcano to Lake Toba's calm. Every island has its own special feeling, and we've only seen a little bit. I hope you're inspired to see these places for yourself. Indonesia will welcome you with open arms. Thanks for joining this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic journeys. Until next time, Asyap!